Hello children, today we are going to see about the election process. So yesterday we started this topic elections. Elections are very important in a democracy. So without any election a government cannot be set up and all the citizens cannot run the administration. So through election we can elect the representative and election is very important. Then through the election only government can be changed. These are the reasons. So elections are very important. So today we are going to see the election process, and we learn about the election commission also. In election commission, one chief election commissioner is there and two election commissioners are there. One chief election commissioner and two election commissioners are there, and the headquarters of election commission is in New Delhi, and it controls the election process in India. And this chief election commissioner is appointed by the president of India, and the main duty of the election commission is that announce the date of election and prepares the voters list. And election commission announce the date of the election. Then each voter, हम लोगों को क्या मिलते हैं? आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. वी हैव आइडेंटिटी कार्ड, इलेक्शन कार्ड, इलेक्शन आइडेंटिटी कार्ड, and we have to carry this ID card with us while we are going to cast our vote. And the people of the state are divided into different constituencies for the purpose of election. Constituencies means an area whose voters elect a representative to the legislative body. हम वो एक एरिया में से एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं, वो एरिया है एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. Like that, Bandara, this side one constituency is there, Sakoli, Gondia, that is another constituency, Napur is another constituency. Like that, many constituencies are there, many areas are there, and all the constituency seats together form the total number of seats in the Lok Sabha. ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज है एक एक मेंबर को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, वो सब मिलके टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीट्स फॉर्म होते हैं. उन लोग फिर आफ्टर द इलेक्शन लोकसभा या स्टेट असेंबली में चले जाते हैं. देन कैंडिडेट ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्टीज एंड इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट कैन कंटेस्ट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. सो नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स भी रहते हैं इलेक्शन में, कोई भी पार्टी में नहीं रहते, ऐसा भी कैंडिडेट रहते हैं. This candidate have to file their nomination paper. Okay, first of all, the candidate have to file the nomination papers, and the election commission will check this purpose. After examine the purpose by the election commission, it allows the symbols to the candidates. हमको मालूम है different symbols है, like lotus, hand, elephant, like that symbols are there. National parties will have their permanent symbols, like BJP, Congress, BSP, they have permanent symbols. but जो state level parties या independent candidate उसको new symbols मिलते हैं. Different parties issues their election manifesto. सो हर पार्टी अपने इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो इश्यू करते हैं. मैनिफेस्टो मीन्स है पब्लिक डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ पॉलिसीज़. उन लोग क्या करने जा रहे हैं, व्हाट आर द पॉलिसीज़ एंड प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्टी, ये मैनिफेस्टो. देन दे विल इश्यू द मैनिफेस्टोस. आफ्टर दैट दे विल गो फॉर कैंपेन. कैंपेन मीन्स वो घर घर में जाते हैं या putting up posters, holding meetings, processions, speeches and house to house canvasses, ये सब उसमें रहते हैं. जाके बताते हैं हमें वोट देना, हमें वोट देना, आपका भी घर में आते हैं ऐसे बोल के. सो इट इज स्टॉप्ड 48 hours बिफोर द पोलिंग टाइम, मीन्स बिफोर 2 days ये स्टॉप करना पड़ता है जो भी कैंपेन है. एंड ऑन द स्पेसिफिक डे वोटिंग इज held using the secret ballot system or using EVM. Nowadays we are using the EVM. Through EVM we can cast our vote. Then after the voting, ballot boxes, yeah, EVMs are closed and sealed and are taken away to the counting centers. Then result is declared after counting the votes. Vote count होते हैं, then result declaration होते हैं एक specific day में. And any candidate not satisfied with the election result, ऐसा कुछ candidates है उनको इलेक्शन जो रिजल्ट से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है, उसको डाउट है, तो ही कैन गो टू द कोर्ट. सो दिस इज द election process in India. First they have to file the nomination paper, then election, after examine the papers by the election commission will allow the symbols of the candidate. Then the political parties issues their manifesto, their programs and policies, they उन लोग declare करेगा. Then candidate will go for the campaign, house to house visiting, speeches and all these things. Then on the specific day we can go to the polling booth and we can cast our vote, and after that it will count on specific day and the result will declare. If anybody is not satisfied with the election result, he or she can approach the court. This is the election process. Okay, thank you.